Hi, I'm Anne Ogden-Gaffney and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. Well, as you can see, I'm waving corn around. It's that time of year and corn is in the farm stands and really it's just delicious. Now, there's a lot more you can do with it than just boil it or grill it, although those are pretty good in their own right. But after a bit, I often find myself wondering what else can be done with corn. Today we're going to be seeing a lot of other things that we can do with corn, and we're going to be making like a really easy delicious corn chowder, a fabulous corn salad which will be great for any barbecue. It's one of the favorites at our classes, by the way, and also some little cookies, little muffins, little mini muffins which are with blueberries, which are so delicious, gluten-free, and they're made with fresh corn. Look and learn.